So in this video, I wanted to explain the relationship between system project templates and my project templates for the workspace, as well as how they relate to your projects in the workspace. So basically, our platform, ClearCRM, comes with pre-built system project templates that have some tasks and some Kanban settings and things like that. What you can do with it, one is save them to your own templates. So this way, if you make some modifications, you or your team can reuse these templates based on your original settings, but obviously without overwriting the system project templates. So that's the first way, is to save the project templates you want to use, the system project templates you want to use into your own workspace project templates. And you can use them to create a template. So when it comes to creating a project, you can either create projects directly from the system templates, right? Then you edit them, or you can create them from your own project templates that you created from scratch or that you previously copied from the system templates. So that's how you create projects from templates, either directly from the system or from your own workspace templates. Once you have a project that you iterated through and you know it's working, you can save it as a template, and now you can have another blueprint that you can use for subsequent projects. One thing worth mentioning is that the system templates don't support subtasks, but your project templates and projects and saving your project as project templates, they support subtasks. So now let's talk about task templates. ClearCRM has task templates in case you're creating tasks that don't belong to a project. For example, invoice tasks or customer tasks or lead tasks, and you have some instructions and things like that. They don't relate to a project. Maybe you are not even using projects in your platform. So basically you can create those directions and some task templates that you can create tasks from. The task templates don't support subtasks, but the regular tasks, they support subtasks. So regardless if you created a task from scratch or using a task template, typically tasks would be created under projects, right? That's the main use case. But tasks can be related to other objects, and there is only one-to-one relationship, so a task can only belong to something, either to a project or a lead or deal and so on. So when you're creating tasks within an object, they're related to it. So if I'm at a deal and I can create a bunch of tasks, then they will be related to that deal. If I create a project and start adding tasks, they will be related to that project. But I can just create tasks in the task area, and I can choose what to relate it to. So if I choose a lead, then it will ask me what lead is it related to. And you can have tasks for almost anything, an invoice, a request, and almost every object in the project can have notes and tasks and things like that. So hopefully this gives you a little more understanding about how tasks relate to objects, including the project, but definitely we'll add more details around this later.